Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel and welcome back. So in this video is I will teach you on how to create an AdSense account or Google AdSense. So if you want to create a Google AdSense account because you want to earn money using ads, so you have the right video tutorial that you choose. So in this video, as I will teach you step by step on how to make an Google AdSense or how to create Google AdSense account. So if you want to know how to add website on your Google AdSense account to make and earn money, so I have another video in the box below. So just go. Okay, so in this videos I will teach you right away. So okay, here's the tutorial after this. Okay, my friend. So here's how to create AdSense account. So first we need to go to our browser. So depend on you how or what kind of browser did you use. So in my case I will choose Chrome. So search the search bar Google AdSense. So this is the page. So we will need to tap that. Okay, but first we will need to go to our Gmail account. So what kind of Gmail did we log in? So okay. So choose what type of Gmail did you want. Okay, so that Gmail is that's the way on how we create our Google account, our AdSense account. So if we don't have Gmail, so we don't have AdSense account. Okay, so search again the AdSense. So tap the website this time. Okay, tap that website and be patient. Okay, so I will translate that in English. So over 2 million people choose AdSense, including na dyan yung YouTube at Facebook. Okay, so just tap the get started button and choose what Gmail account did you log in before. Okay, so in my case, I have 4 Gmail account, and in this video, choose what kind of Gmail did you log in your account earlier. Okay, so first is tap this check in that box. So yan, just tap that, and that's the agreement of AdSense, Google AdSense account. So tap the continue to AdSense if you want to create your account. So it's very simple on how to create a Google AdSense account. Ayan, just tap the continue to AdSense. And here's we have our AdSense account. So yeah, it's very easy. And this time we will have our Google AdSense account. Then just tap that terms and agree and conditions. So just check the box below. Just tap that and also tap the save. Yan. In that box. Okay. We already check that and tap that. Yan. Resubmit. Tap the resubmit button. Ayan. So, that's all we have. So, this is the dashboard on our Google AdSense. So, yan. That's a very easy way to create AdSense account. So, if you want to know or if you want to like this video, I don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video and I help you, my friend. So this is the way. It's very basic, my friend. So thank you for watching my video and see you soon to my next video. God bless. So this is the end of our video. So thank you for watching and I hope you learned my video tutorial for today. And that's how we create an Google AdSense account. So if you like more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to know how to make an Google AdSense account and more videos for me. And so thank you for watching, my friend, and see you soon to my next video, and God bless.